So naturally, if you're looking for a lawyer, you're wondering, how am I getting treated by these lawyers? Okay, because you see things on TV that, frankly, they don't align with reality. There's some law firms that are really stodgy and not all that personable. We hear about them. We know who they are for the most part. I'm not going to name names, but those folks are out there. We like to say, we're different. And I know everyone pitches that, oh, we're different. Come to us, we're different, we're different, we're different. We really are different. We are personable, okay? We handle a small caseload intentionally. We don't drown ourselves in the numbers. Some lawyers are out there, they handle 150 files, 150 cases. Like, how do you get to know your clients if you're handling 150 cases? That is way too many cases to handle. To be able to create a relationship, a lasting relationship, a meaningful relationship with your client. Because I think that through relationships, you actually do better. You're more engaged personally, right? You feel like it's a team at that point as opposed to a job. And you take a lot of pride in doing things for people you like. So we really do foster relationships with our clients to the extent they're comfortable with it, of course. People just want the traditional lawyer. I'll email you. I don't want phone calls. That's okay. And we respect that. But, for the most part, we found that people like the alternative. They like when we call them up just to check in. Hey, how's it going? How the kids doing? How's the wife? How's the husband? How's the dog? How's the car? Is it still knocking? You get that fixed? We really do have the ability to do that because, again, we keep our caseload low. So we have real relationships with people. And we find that it betters the process. And it actually leads us to a position where we do better for our clients because we are now emotionally invested in our clients' cases. You ask how we treat our clients, that's it, like a friend. Like a friend, like a family, honestly. And again, I get that people say it all the time. It's part of their marketing pitches right and left. And I kind of look at that and I see who's saying it and I see what they're saying. I kind of chuckle because I know better. We're just different, I don't know how else to say it. And a lot of that is you have to be a particular personality set to work here. You really do. And I get people applying for positions here, whether they're lawyers or support staff all the time. I just turn them down because you're not the right personality fit for what we do. You're not the right personality fit for the people that we represent because I want to be your friend. I mean, as cheesy as it is, but I really do. I really want to be a friend of every client that we have in this office. And so far, so good. And so far, no complaints.